This is an AquaLock fitting from Watts, and this is how easily they install. It's as simple as that. So let's take a closer look at what sets AquaLock apart. AquaLock push-to-connect fittings are available in brass and plastic in a variety of sizes and configurations. They're designed for any CTS size pipe. This includes copper, CPVC, and PEX. And they're available in 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch. We also offer 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch connections for special applications. So aside from the material that the fittings are made from, the brass and plastic fittings have the same internals, and both operate the same way. The best part, as you saw, you don't need any special tools to install or disconnect AquaLock. To install your fitting, first make a clean straight cut using either a rotary pipe cutter for copper or a sharp tubing cutter for plastic. Deburr and clean the cut as necessary. A straight cut is important to ensure that you're making a secure connection with your AquaLock fitting. Next, we'll need to mark our insertion depth mark. For plastic fittings, an insertion line has been molded into the body of the fitting. For brass and mini fittings, refer to the chart on watts.com. Take your fitting, place it on the pipe, and run it in until you've hit the internal stop. Confirm you've reached your marked insertion depth line. Finish by inserting the push ring clip for added security. For PEX pipe, be sure to install the included pipe stiffeners before installation. The pipe stiffeners are required by the standard that the fittings are certified to. They help stiffen the walls of the PEX pipe and create a better seal. AquaLock fittings can be removed just as easily without any special tools, so no more searching for a fitting removal tool when you're in a rush. On either end of the fitting is a movable column that's responsible for holding the pipe into the fitting. Remove the locking clip, press the column against the base of the fitting, and pull the pipe free. With AquaLock push-to-connect fittings, there's no flow restrictions unless you're using the PEX insert, and even then it's so minor you won't notice. AquaLock fittings can be used for any general plumbing installation, whether it's behind the wall, in a concealed space, or underground. Unlike traditional fittings, they can be rotated under pressure, and that can be a real time saver in the field. And just as important, these fittings won't come loose from the pipe by accident. In fact, the only way to remove the pipe from the fitting is by depressing the collar. Once the fitting is pressurized, you simply can't depress the collar, so there's no fear of accidental removal. You'll know AquaLock push-to-connect fittings are installed correctly if the connection does not leak when you pressurize the system. If the fitting does leak, as little as a drip or as much as a steady stream, it's a relatively easy fix. A leak means that the pipe was not fully seated into the fitting. If it's not high pressure, push the pipe fully into the fitting to tighten the seal. In other cases, you may need to depressurize the system, pull the pipe out, clean it up, make sure there's no dirt or debris, and properly reseat the fitting. AquaLock by Watts offers the most flexibility and superior performance with no need for special tools. Those who know best know when you need a connection you can count on, AquaLock it down.